Hello, everybody. Smart Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today's October the 17th, 2022 at 5 o'clock, around 5 o'clock, 5:05, something like that. I just wanted to show you what I've done today. I put a 12-volt docking station on Miss Sally Ann here. And let me show you some pictures. I took the panels off, and that was real... I was real gingerly taking these panels off. I'll put a video up there on a card about the Sling Mods install video, and I pretty much did like that. But I had a little problem with polarity, but they gave you a little splice thing in there to reverse the polarity on it, so now it works fine. I was hoping it would be a little bit darker, but we'll see if this thing lights up. Hopefully you can see it. See, it's got that blue light so you can see it in the dark. So that's pretty cool. And this, on this side, is a cigarette lighter adapter. If I can ever get it up with these gloves. There we go. See that? Hopefully you can see that. So I'm going to take it around for a little spin here. Make sure there's nothing pinching or anything else. So that's what I'm going to do. That 12-volt adapter. Oh, by the way, I was getting ready and I saw some turkeys coming through the yard. I don't know where they went to. They usually go down that way. Let's see if they've... I don't see them anymore. Oh, well. Wait for this guy to go. Well, that's pretty cool. So... Neato Guido. I need to go by that again. This lady digs up for Halloween. Sure everything's clear. Rebuilding that house they burned up a couple years ago. This lady here, she decks out for Halloween, which is really cool. Got flamingos and werewolf and the dragon. They got a skeleton on the dragon. That's pretty cool. Riding the dragon. Got some in the lounge chairs, drinking a beer. But that goes right through them. That's pretty cool. Pretty neat. But yeah, that took altogether about 2 hours to put this in. Of course, I worked 30 minutes and rest 20. I got an early start and took the other mount off this morning. That took all of 10 minutes and put the other mount on, but then I had to wire the power cable. You see there. In there, so had to do that. That way I can communicate with my former Gold Wing riders in the Christmas parade, because we all have CBs. You know, all the Cenas and all the intercom and mesh communications and everything else, but it's hard to, if you're in close quarters, it's hard to beat a CB radio. You just have to turn the squelch way down, or way up rather. That's hard to beat. I've got some videos in the can of my daughter and I going to Smyrna High football game, and me and my buddy Steve-O gone up to Golden Corral in Hermitage, and we took the back roads to that, so that'll be coming out pretty soon. Well, no mail. Ain't got no mail. No stuff to get for the spider. So that's just a quick run around the neighborhood, just to show you guys this 12 volt. I guess it lights up when you turn the... There you go, yeah. See it? You can see it good now. Guess you can turn it on and off. Yeah. That's cool. So there you go. That's it. That's all I got for today. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages. So this is the Smyrna Cowboy here, the Smyrna Cowboy Hacienda, here in Smyrna, Tennessee. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios. Thank you for your time and attention.